what is the cost of setting up an estate plan? And I think what we're really trying to get to is, when is it beneficial? Like, what are the pros and cons, but also what are the cost benefits of having an estate plan? Because we get all kinds of questions on this area.
It's a great question, Derek. I think it's a good question to tackle head on. So many people hear about trusts, and they hear about wills, and they hear about estate planning, and they think, oh boy, this is going to cost me a lot of money. The reason they think that is often because they hear about all the cost savings that occur with a properly drafted plan. And they start to say, gee, if I'm going to be saving 16% of a Mass Department of Revenue estate tax, or a 40% federal estate tax, or, tens of thousands of dollars in legal fees down the road after someone's died, how much is this thing going to cost me up front? And it's a valid question. I'd say the direct, straight answer is that it's about $3,000 to $4,000 for most of the plans that come through our office.
Sure.
There are some plans that are less expensive. There are some plans that are significantly more expensive. What a listener can rely upon, though, is that the initial consultation with me is completely free. And that's where I'll get the information, intake the client to know what the exact cost will be. And by the end of that first meeting, what you'll know is the exact cost, not an estimate, not a guess, not some ambiguous hourly billing rate that we impose. We have a flat fee at McManus Estate Planning.